Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Pidis Priyadi, and I'm very glad to see all of you on CITSM International Conference on Cyber and IT Service Management. Our research talking about a model of virtual learning environment using micro lectures, Moodle, and Sloodle. First, we'll talk about introduction, and then research objective, and then method, result and discussion, and conclusion. Introduction. Change in the learning environment have an impact on changing the presentation of the learning process. Learning success can be supported by e-learning. The tools to e-learning, we can use micro-lecture. Micro-lecture as a short video-based learning technology are one of the most widely used models. However, based on several studies, there are weaknesses, namely the tendency of students to only listen to videos compared to accessing other learning components. So, our research objective is describe the concept how to integrating micro-lecture into a 3D virtual world simulation. We use 3D virtual simulation as an alternative to solve the problem about the weakness of micro-lecture. We use design science research methodology as a method. It is consists of 6 steps. The first, identify problem and motivate. Second, define objectives of a solution, design and development, and then demonstration, evaluation, and the last is communication. This is the proposed model of how to integrating micro-lecture into 3D simulation virtual world. Model consists of learning management system. There is Moodle. We use Moodle as a learning management system. Why we use Moodle? Because the Moodle very easy to create learning activities and learning materials. And then we use Open Simulator because Open Simulator is second life like 3D virtual worlds. We use simulation to manage the learning activities. Very interest. Then we use sample web-based learning management. Then one tool is Sloodle. When we use Sloodle, we can combine Moodle and Open Simulator using this tool. And then the other material is teacher. Teacher can manage learning resources. They can monitoring learning activities, and students can studying learning material. They can learning application, and the last they have result about studying process. Nah, this is the example of implementation for the simulation or the model. Figure 1, the user can choose the avatar for their own, and the second, the figure 2, after they choose the avatar, the registration to the tools, and they can see the video. They micro lecture video we inject from the system, and they can learn the other activities material like quiz, like exam, and the others. We use a virtual world to make a user enjoy and to make a user happy about learning activities. We can see in this slide, for the evaluation we choose the post test. For the post test, we have 30 students divided into two groups. First group using micro lecture system only, and the second group using integration system, micro lecture and 3D virtual world simulation. So we can see the result of the post test. For the first group, we have average result 60.67, and for the second group we can see the result is 72.67. So this is the difference between both post test results. There are different results of about 12 points from the two groups. So we can say that the micro lectures model combined with the 3D virtual worlds has an impact on increasing student learning results. It is like an indicator that students can better absorb the material present because the level of boredom has reduced. Because the use of a 3D virtual learning environment or 3D virtual simulation provide an advantage, especially the interaction between student and teacher through avatar, as well as collaboration between students. So the conclusion is, it can be concluded that combining the model of the 3D virtual world with micro lectures can improve students' understanding of the learning process. It can be seen from the comparison of the assessment result is higher than implementing a model of micro lectures only. So it is our presentation. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.